Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever heard words like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and felt confused, this video is for you. Today I want to explain what data science actually is. Not as an expert or industry guru, but as a student who have just completed 1 year of an MSc in data science at a UK university. This is my honest understanding based on what I studied, practiced, and struggled with. I studied mathematics in my graduation. I was told by many well wishers that I could study finance or data science for my post graduation. I took this into consideration and tried to figure out what these courses actually are. Then I loved data science and decided to study it. At that time, I did not know much about data science. What I thought was that it was about programming and machine learning. They told me this because they knew I was good at mathematics. Right now, I am studying MSc in Data Science at the University of Hertfordshire in the United Kingdom. My course is 2 years long with advanced research. I am on my research modules now. As I finished my final MSc Data Science project last semester, I now properly understand what data science is, not as an expert, but as a student and enthusiast of data science. It is actually about working on data, understanding the data, and gathering ideas from the data. Ideas mean understanding their behavior. You can say taking new decisions based on that behavior. What I have explained so far is non-technical. However, technically, let's see this chart to understand what data science is. Raw data, data preparation, data analysis, identifying patterns, deriving meaningful insights. Though this is not fully explained using technical terms, it is enough for understanding. Interestingly, you will not get data ready all the time. Data comes from different ways or sources. Sometimes you have to collect it from the sources. This is called data collection. Sometimes you will have data in hand, but you will notice that it is not usable straight away. You may need to delete some data, check duplicate data, check data types, and handle missing values. This is called data preparation or data preprocessing. Sometimes you may need to create new columns or features based on the existing data based on your business needs. It is called feature engineering. On the contrary, if you need to delete some columns on the basis of your business needs, then it is called dimensionality reduction. Then you want to notice the behavior of the data and understand the data. This is called data analysis. It can be done through different plots, for example, histograms, bar plots, box plots, etc., based on the types of data and what you want to show. This is called data visualization. Now I am considering that you have enough ideas of the data. This is called finding patterns in data science. Now you are planning to use the data for the best purpose. Let's say you want to take a business decision. This is called derivation of meaningful insights. It can be done by applying machine learning models. There are a lot of models. You have to pick a model based on your data and your needs. In this stage, you will build a model, train it, train and test your data, evaluate the performance of the model. If you notice that this model is not performed well, you have to find the reason behind it, draw a solution. After that, if you notice that this time it is performing better than before, it is called hyperparameter tuning. Keep in mind that it is not always necessary to apply machine learning to your data. You may need advanced models based on your data. Then you have to consider neural networks or deep learning. There are lots of models here as well. Let's say you have got your business insights now. The next month, the sales will rise 30% if you run promotions of these particular dishes. Think about what you did till now as a manager of a restaurant. Now you have to convince or interpret it to the restaurant owner. How will you do that? This is called interpretation of results. You can say this is the communication skill of data science. Your restaurant owner is called a stakeholder. They have not studied like you, so you have to take that into consideration. This part is very important if you want to become a successful data scientist. For this part, you will need data visualization widely as well. Data visualization can be used at any stage of data science journey. All of the technical terms I have mentioned are achievable through different tools and techniques. You will get most of this primarily in Python. Tools mean Python libraries and techniques mean machine learning and deep learning models and their advanced features. So now I can say, and you will also agree with me, that data science is about deriving meaningful insights from raw data. It is a journey. To complete the journey, you need models, you need tools, you need usable data. For each of these, you need mathematics and statistics. Mathematics includes vectors, matrices from linear algebra, calculus, and statistics includes probability and statistical theories. These are the foundation of machine learning and deep learning models. So mathematics and statistics are integral parts of data science. You already know that you need different tools and techniques. These are computer science concepts. Therefore, data science is not an independent science. It is an interdisciplinary field. I always say it is widely inspired by statistics. I call it smart statistics or modern statistics. You will now agree that data science is not about coding, it is about understanding the data, working with the data, and taking data-driven decisions where needed. It is an interdisciplinary field that includes mathematics, statistics, and computer science. I am a data science enthusiast. If you like this video and want to learn more about data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, please subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.